This is inside of the Android Barbecue. This is the vendor spot, the vendor hut. Team Douche, looks like. Oh, excuse me. Nah, you're alright.
I'll say. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah. Browse on this thing. Let's change my wallpaper.
Hey, go to theandroidwave.com.
I know now I got live wallpaper on it. We had to do self-convincing.
Yeah, we had to.
Yeah.
We're nerds. What can we say? So now, are you guys hiring Android developers?
We're working with Android developers on the game side and on the app side. So we're looking for guys who are going to do differentiated content.
Do you have a business card? Thank you.
I want to ask him a question.
Is it pretty responsive?
Just a second, man.
It's weird.
Are you living like next door to Ben right now, or do you have your own place?
Excuse me.
I'm close to Ben. I'm actually sharing a condo. Rebecca's got one side.
I will actually show you. I'm getting videotaped now. I've really got it.
Pressure's on.
I just recently. Should be good.
Tell me more about it.
I'm not, so the developer's actually here, and he knows how to make it work. Okay, so this is loads. This gives you an actual visual representation of each part or component of the server. So when a server fails, you know exactly. Oh, I've got that fix.
That's awesome.
Well, so it's a completely gel experimental concept. There's no, they're just trying to figure it out. The real application for it is not. I mean, it is servers, but you have people that specialize in servers. The real application for it is military. You got somebody
So
got a
true.
Jeep in the middle of Afghanistan and needs to replace a part. They don't have time. Like, I don't need to flip through manuals.
Exactly. Oh, that's awesome. Just take a picture of
I need to pull out
it.
my thing and look at it and go, oh, here's the carburetor. Let me fix the carburetor, and fix it immediately.
That's
So they're
awesome.
thinking about putting it on like cars and vehicles, not just computers.
Yeah, putting it on kind of any really
Anything,
consumer device.
yeah.
And the truth is that this is kind of a demo thing. Like, we need the big labels to identify what it is. What you really want is RFID.
Exactly.
So tags that aren't visual, and or even QR codes. That's even better. But RFID makes it simple. You just pull it out,
Right.
you know exactly what piece to replace, and that's kind of really where it's all about.
That's awesome, man.
That's cool.
And that's Mutual Mobile, right?
So yeah, we're an app development consulting company.
You guys made any apps yet, or?
Oh, we've got over 100 apps out for not internally. We don't do anything ourselves. It's all client-based. So Cisco, Koala.
Right.
We got to help them out on their initial Android BlackBerry app.
Okay.
Cisco, a bunch of big names.
Awesome.
And we help them kind of get into the mobile agency and the mobile side of things. And
Right.
that's what we do.
Cool. Man.
I did a
Good
really
work,
good job
bro.
now being on video.
Awesome. Now you did a great job.
Water for me.
Same.
You really want sauce? Probably locked, yeah. It is, it's locked.
So once you crack it, you can take it back.
That would explain the speed test. Hello.
Hey, T-Mobile, how you doing?
Well, what kind of phone do you use?
What's that?
What kind of phone do you use?
Nexus 1.
Nexus 1? Well,
Yeah.
sign up. You get a free G2.
All right, that's what I need. My wife told me not to come home without it.
Oh, so wait a minute. You went to www somewhere. No. Baggage.com is unable to return. Come back. Oh, okay. And release apps from the app is better too.
That's what's cool. What's that? Really fast map it. Yeah. I think so. I don't train it. These guys are filming.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta film.
Yes. Let's go.
You know what Get Jar is?
Oh, I have no idea, but it's hitting you in the head.
Hold on.
All right. Get jar.
Film our sign coming down.
Oh, yeah, that's not.
Not cool.
All right, now we'll go. All right.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Hey, welcome to GetJar. GetJar is the largest independent app store. We do over 3 million downloads a day. We're the best place for mobile app developers to get their apps out to the world. We will hit 200 countries, 2,300 kinds of phones. Go to m.getjar.com today. Try it out on your phone, and if you're a developer, put your app up there. It's free.
All right. Get jar. Here's the end of the line for the food. And the line continues. And the line continues. And the line continues. And then we hit the corner and the line continues. Excuse me. And the line continues. And yes, it keeps going. And then you get down here and you have Mr. Walters ushering out food to folks. You got, yeah. And then we got Big K-Von passing it out. Team Smokestack. And we had the lovely assistants. Thank y'all. And we have all of the treats over here on the side to go with their. Look, there are the purple onions that we spent hours cutting. There they are.
Yeah, we cut those.
Exactly. Enjoy the onions, folks. And the big Tex Android made it. Steven rubbing his belly. Yes. Look.
There's nothing strategic about this. I would love to have my entire product be open source, but it's probably just going to take a while to do that. Okay, so here I have a new activity. I'm going to base it on a template. And one of the things I told these guys is like, I want to see a preview. I want to see an actual drawn version. You have something that connects to a back-end database. You want to see all of your things in a list. Okay, you already have the layouts already installed, and they'll be put into your manifest. So all of that tying in behind the scenes, you can do that. So you can tie it into any model that you have back there. Yes. So, okay. So whenever I finish this up, it's going to say, oh, I don't find any databases. That's because what you have to do, and this is that whole I'm not writing code live here. You have to suck in your schema into the project first. So if you have a schema for your database, you have to suck it in first, and then you can do the database list. But for something like pick one here. So like, okay, for my own app, I just use this preference activity, okay? And it just, suddenly now I have a preference page. And, I had to go in and behind the scenes and twiddle with the XML, to actually set the fields and data stuff. But, it did all the rest of the stuff behind the scenes for me. Okay, this thing is really sucking my CPU in.
I have no idea what he's talking about. But this guy does. So I'll keep filming.
Oh, and if you hate having the emulator built in like that, you can just close it and open it up as an external window.
different stuff.
But essentially, Friday. Friday
How you doing, man?